we get to see the first look of the Galaxy S23 lineup, which showed that both the S23 and S23 Plus will get a new camera design that brings the look of the camera module in line with its Ultra counterpart. All the S22 handsets have respectable battery life, but compared to the latest iPhone there definitely is room for improvement. Thankfully, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset will be a lot more efficient because of the TSMC production. Expect at least 30% improvement in efficiency, which alone would make a drastic improvements in battery life compared to the S22 lineup. Now with the S23 and S23 Plus, Samsung has also decided to increase the battery capacity. The Galaxy S23 will have a 3,900 mAh battery, 200 mAh more than its predecessor. The same is the case with the S23 Plus will get a 4,700 mAh cell, which is similarly 200 mAh larger than the S22 Plus. Taking a look at the front, you can see that they are almost identical to last year. We have the same size panels, 6.1 inches on the S23 and 6.7 inches on the S23 Plus. Because of that, the bodies are also wider, so S23 is wider by 0.2 mm and S23 Plus is wider by 0.3 mm and both taller by 0.3. Now if you take a look at the back, you can see that they both got the S22 Ultra style camera arrangement. So the camera modules are now sitting directly on the back and there's no more camera housing. According to Ice Universe, we might see an enhanced audio system, so better speakers, but this is not confirmed just yet. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra, leaker Ice Universe says that the screen is changing but has not gone into any detail yet. It's possible that Samsung could make some upgrades to the always-on display functionality in the S23 Ultra to combat the iPhone 14 Pro Max of more advanced AOG features, but we're hoping that Samsung keeps things simple in terms of presentation while also offering more customization options. The S23 Ultra, just like the S23 and S23 Plus, the design has also been revealed by OnLeaks and the Smart Pre, and yes, you can probably tell it looks almost identical to the S22 Ultra with some minor changes. First, the 3x telephoto module and the laser autofocus cutouts both are now flush with the body of the phone. And second, the body is now a bit more squared off and the metal frame is also slightly larger. And there's less of the curve on the S23 Ultra. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.